LG Sound Bar S65TR. Main features are: LG S65TR is a high-performance 600W 5.1 channel home theater soundbar system. Engineered with wireless rear speakers and an independent wireless subwoofer, it serves as an excellent mid-range solution for room-filling cinematic audio without complex structural cable runs. AI Sound Pro employs smart learning algorithms to analyze what you are watching and automatically optimize EQ profiles. DTS Virtual X Support emulates an expansive, multi-dimensional audio stage using psychoacoustic processing techniques. HDMI ARC output allows a single cable connection to stream audio straight from your television down to the soundbar. WOW interface integration enables you to control the soundbar's sound modes, volume levels, and status menus directly through your compatible LG TV remote. Optical audio port includes a digital optical input to maintain backwards compatibility with older TV models and media players. Bluetooth wireless casting lets you stream music or podcasts from your smartphone, laptop, or tablet. USB playback port features a physical USB port to play your favorite digital audio files natively from a flash drive. Wall-mountable profile includes dedicated mounting brackets inside the box to safely hang the main bar directly on your wall.